Okay, so welcome to section 8.2, which is apportionment. Apportionment of districts. And this is a very quick section. Should only take a few minutes. So definition. So gerrymandering. Gerrymandering. That's what we're defining. So is the act of manipulating the boundaries of an electoral district. So is the act of manipulating the boundaries. The act of manipulating the boundaries of an electoral district. And why do we do this? It's to favor a party or a class. So to favor a certain party or class. A lot of class warfare here. Okay, so let's note. So the goal of creating districts within each state is to equate the population of each district. That's the stated goal. So the goal, whether it actually happens or not, is another question. So the goal of creating districts within each state, I'll just say a state, is to equate the population. So is to equate the population of each district. The population of each district. Okay, so hence more rural districts would be necessarily larger, right? So hence more rural districts will necessarily be geographically larger. Then what? Then more urban districts. So let's consider, hopefully that makes sense. So let's consider the most basic representation of a district I can make, which is boxes. So let's say we've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully, did I do that right? So here's my first district in a box. Here's my second district in a box. Let's say here's my third district in a box. I'll call this District 1, District 2, and District 3. So, and let's say that we had Democrats, but some Republicans here. And some Republicans here. So the problem is going to be is that if I want to cut this along party lines, I would have to cut into districts, right? So the population of each box or district is equivalent, right? So the population of each district box is equivalent but the party lines are not. Party lines are not. So gerrymandering would alter the districts, right? So at this point, we've got 3 distinct districts. We've got this district here, right? Then we have this district here. And this district here. And everything's just fine, right? But in order to gerrymander this, in order to have only Republicans or only Democrats, so what would happen, because clearly there's only a 2-party system, gerrymandering would alter the geographic boundaries to favor the party, right? So would alter the geographic boundaries to favor the party. The geographic boundaries to favor the party. Or each party. Or, not each. A specific party, depending on who's doing the gerrymandering, right? A specific party. Specific party. Okay, so if we had our little 1, 2, 3, 4. The same setup as before. Our 3 quote districts. What's going to happen now is, in order to facilitate the Republican versus Democratic divide, we would have a district here, and a district here. And look who looks like they have more geography now. So we have this first district. Pardon me. Now we have this second district. Oops, no, okay. And then the third district. So this is not based on population anymore, which it should be. It's now based on what party wants to have what people in it. Okay, fine. So this is what gerrymandering does. So note, gerrymandering changes. So note, after gerrymandering, the districts no longer have equal populations, right? So the districts no longer have equal populations. And that is all for 8.2. See you in the next section.